Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in the next 1 minute, I'll be showing you how to create a responsive button in Figma. So to do that, I'm going to select the text and add the sign up. Once you're done with that, you can click outside and then select the text. Press Shift A to add the auto layout. Once you've done that, you can select the fill, and then this time you can change the color of the fill. And I'm also going to change the color of the text. So now what we're having here is a responsive button. So let me try to type inside this. You notice the moment I type, it increases the width of this button. You can go ahead to style this button by adding some corner radius. So now I have my button with the border radius. So this time we're going to increase the spacing on the right hand side and the left hand side. To do that, I'm going to come into this section and put in 30 here. So you notice I have enough spacing. So if I should duplicate this button, bring this down, and I try to edit this to sign. So you see the width of this automatically adjusts to fit in the text, and you see the spacing here is 30 and also here is 30. And you can also increase the spacing at the top and also at the bottom. To do that, we have this option here. So I'll go 20, which I'm going to take it back to the default size, which is the 10, but you can adjust that properly. So if you like tutorials like this, kindly hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.